The first facelift for Ford's compact pickup truck improved the hybrid drivetrain, updated the exterior, and added new standard technologies. The 8-speed automatic gearbox has been replaced by a 7-speed automatic from the European Focus ST hatchback, calibrated specifically for the Lobo. A set of paddle shifters enhances the transmission's athletic feel. The improved oil cooler and gearbox coolers included with the 4K towing package aid with cooling duties. The suspension system is unique to the Lobo. It lowers the truck 0.5 inch in the front and 1.1 inch in the back, lowering the top down 0.8 inch. The top mounts are adapted from the Mustang Mach-E, while the monotube rear dampers are from the Maverick Tremor, but the entire package is calibrated specifically for the Lobo. The torque vectoring and reduced stability control, which are enabled through a new Lobo drive mode, will produce the most performance boost. The Lobo mode is designed for tight courses and uses the truck's twin-clutch rear drive unit, which it adopted from the Bronco Sport.